Hey, Chef D here for Nutrafarms. It is all about chicken today, but something a little bit different because we're all used to boneless chicken breasts. Why don't you use a boneless thigh? I have about 2 tablespoons of a Cajun seasoning, a touch of onion powder, a little bit of salt and pepper. We're gonna put it in a 450-degree wood-fired pizza oven, and in 9 minutes, we're gonna have beautiful chicken thighs. So we're about 7 minutes in, and I'm just gonna turn these over. 2 more minutes, and we're good to go. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Moist, tender. It doesn't get much better than this. Check out this recipe and a whole lot more at nutrafarms.ca.